Hello dear students, I am Bindi Desai from Saraswati International Academy, and dear students, we will be learning Environment Studies of Standard 5th English Medium, Chapter 5 Seeds and Seeds, Part 1. Chapter 4 students, we learned mangoes around the year. In this chapter 5 we will be learning seeds and seeds. We are aware of this word seed, is it? We learned in 3rd and 4th EVS that how does a seed germinates and grows into the plants, is it? So in this we are going to learn, and first we will learn a story. Chapter 5 Seeds and Seeds. Gopal was waiting for his Mausi's family to visit them. They will be coming the next day for their holidays. He was thinking about all the fun and the nice food that he would have with his cousins. Just then his mother called out and called, "Gopal, before you sleep, remember to soak 2 small bowls of chana gram." She was going to his bua's house and would return only in the morning. So student, first of all, let me tell you few things that when a seed grows into a small plant, germinates, the growth of a seed into a young plant, that is called germination, is it? A mango seed, students, a mango seed can also be grown into a small plant, and after that many years it can be grown into a tree, a mango seed. Same way the seed grows into a young plant, and that is called germination, students. Another thing I would like to add, that when the seeds are sown into the soil, students, when water we give water, when there is a sunlight and proper air, then a plant seed can grow into a proper plant. So air, water and sunlight, they are the 3 necessary requirements for growing a seed into a plant. Students, one more thing, we eat many pulses, grains, is it? In daily life we eat many pulses like black chana, we can say gram, moong dal, the khichdi, the lentils we can say, is it? The moong and urad dal, students. Now there are certain pulses which are soaked before or overnight. So in this story, Gopal was waiting for the Masi to come in the vacations, and he was planning of the food and the fun. So his mother told to soak some seeds, 2 bowls. As he was soaking the chana, Gopal thought, how will 2 small bowls of this be enough for 8 persons? So he soaked another 2 bowls of chana. When his mother returned the next morning, she saw that the chana was overflowing from the vessel. "How much did you soak?" asked his mother. "How did that happen?" wondered Gopal. So students, he soaked 2 of the seeds when he was soaking the 2 chana bowl. So he thought that, he wondered that would it be enough for the 8 persons. So he added 2 more bowl of chana, and the next day in the morning the bowl of the chana was overflowing. So he wondered that why it happened. "You soaked too much. Anyway, it is good. Now I will cook half of them and leave the other half to sprout. I can send this to your aunt. The doctor has told her to eat sprouts," mother said. She tied half of the soaked chana in a wet cloth and hung them up to sprout. Students, the chana was overflowed, is it? If we keep it in a half bowl, then in next morning it soaks much more, student, is it? So what his mother told, that half she will use and half she will keep it for sprouts. Let's see, students, that how are the seeds being sprouted. These are the pulses or seeds which are being sprouted. Can you see a white thin hair which comes out from the seed? They are the sprout, students. This is a moong sprout, this is a chana sprout, a gram sprout, this is chickpeas which we call chole. These are also the peas, we can say, is it? Can you see all these moong dals? So students, these are called the sprouts and they are very helpful. This takes students 36 to 48 hours to become sprout. Health benefits of sprout, students. Aids in digestion means helpful in digestion. Boost immune system, gives us strength, we can say. Aid in weight management, so it is helpful in weight management. Next, protect the body against cancer, helpful. Improve blood circulation in our body, helps to reduce risk of heart ailments, that is heart problems, we can say. Help in the growth and development of the body, inhibited growth of cold sores and reduce effect of allergic reaction and asthma. So students, these are all the health benefits of sprouts. So doctor always advise to eat the sprouts. Discuss what things are soaked before cooking in your house. Why? See students, the moong dal, the two dals, can you see it? The lentils which are cooked and help making in khichdi. This moong dal is also being sprouted, students. The kidney bean, which we call it as rajma, it is also being soaked before night. See the chickpeas, which we call it chole chana, and the chana. These all are being soaked at our house so that the next day it is useful in eating. It becomes soft and easily cooked. What things do you eat after sprouting? How they are sprouted? How much time does it take? Students, we saw the reasons that how does the sprout takes place in 36 to 48 hours. Has the doctor or someone you know ever told you to eat sprouts? Why? Yes, doctor always suggests. Even to the heart patients, even in weight gaining or lessening, it is useful, students. Do this and find out. Do you remember that in class 4 you did an activity with seeds? Now try another one. Take some chana in 3 bowls. Put 5 chana in the bowl and fill it with water. Put a damp piece of cloth or some cotton cloth in the second bowl. Now keep the same number of chanas in it. Make sure that the cotton, wool or cloth remains wet. Put the same number of chanas in the third bowl. Do not put anything else in it. Cover all the 3 bowls. See students, in this activity what they want to tell us, that the chana or the gram or the pulses, it requires proper air and water when they are soaked to become proper sprouts. These are the chanas in a bowl. These are being soaked into the water and the next day the water is being removed. Can you see it? The second bowl, it has the only water contained. And in these students, these seeds are being kept in a cotton cloth and covered. This is our second bowl, students. It is kept in a cotton cloth, the chana, and then it is being covered. The water is being soaked, the chana is being soaked into the water, and then it is kept into the cotton cloth, student. What will happen? The bowl 1, Are the seeds getting air? No, students. Why? There was only water in it, is it? The second one, it was covered in a cotton cloth, is it? And it was wet, so the content of water was there in it, so it was getting proper air and water. The third one, are the seeds getting air? Yes, it was only in open, so obviously it was in a bowl, no water was there, so it was getting air. Are the seeds getting water? The first bowl, yes, it was soaked into the water. Second one, yes, it was in a wet cloth. Third bowl, no, there was no water in the bowl. What changes did you see? First one, chanas have swelled up, मतलब वो बड़े हो जाते हैं, is it? सूज जाते हैं, बड़े हो जाते हैं. The second one, chanas have sprouted. What did you see in the third bowl? That in the bowl there were chanas only, no, only the air content, no water, so no effect on it, no change. Have the seeds sprouted? First one, no, because only water was present. In the second bowl, yes, it got sprouted. Why? Because the wet cloth, water was also present in that wet cloth, and even it was being covered, air was present. So in the bowl too, it sprouted, and the third one, it was not sprouted, dear students. This is bowl 3, students, is it? No water, only air present, so it was not sprouted. Bowl 2, even the wet cloth, first of all, and cotton cloth, even the air was present, and the wet cloth means water content was there, so it was sprouted. Our bowl number 2. And bowl number 1. Only the water content in a bowl. In which bowl did the seed sprout? What difference did you see between the bowl and this bowl? So in bowl 2, the seeds were sprouted because it was closed with a cotton cloth and it was getting proper air and water. Bowl 3, no. Bowl 1, no. Why did Gopal's mother tie the chana in a damp cloth? So that it can get proper sufficient air and present of the wet cloth. Thank you, dear students.